Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel JoomTech Solution. We will learn about what are the components in Joomla 5. In this tutorial, we are exploring components of Joomla and which is the larger extension of Joomla 5 comparatively to module and plugins. So let's start. What is in Joomla? Basically there are three types of extension: components, modules and plugins. So Joomla 5 follows the MVC, model view controller, and Joomla based on components, and it comes with built-in components like articles, banners, menus. These are also components, while components are follows the MVC as well. Joomla supports third-party components, so we can extend the functionality of Joomla according to website admin requirement. Joomla 5 is a just basic content management system which can help to manage articles, menus, banners, contact forms and so on. So that means we can create a basic website without any third party component installation. If you want to any specific website like e-commerce website, you must install external components like Hikasop or Bershumart or any other third party extension. Joomla 5 components have two parts: admin and site. The admin part, administrator part, can insert data and control design and settings, while site is a front end part which which user can access without any login. Components example: suppose components as a special tool you can add to your Joomla toolbox. These tools brings extra features and functionality to your websites. Here Joomla is a toolbox function. Types of components. There are many different type of components available for Joomla. Here are few examples. E-commerce components. Let's you create online store. Gallery component help to showcase photos, videos. Forum components allow visitor to discuss and interact on your website. Membership component enable user registration and create exclusive content for members. Where you find where to find components. There are two main places to find the components: Joomla extension directory. This official directory offers free and paid components for various purposes. Third party developers. Many developers create and sell their own components offering unique functionalities. Installing components. Adding components to your Joomla site is usually quite simple. You can
Panel, you can see the components menus. These are the components in Joomla. File, this is Joomla 5, so in Joomla 5 this is the components area, and when we click on there you can see banner, contact, newsfeed, smart search, text. These are built-in components, while these all these are the components actually, but these are the inbuilt components. So these are not managed in the component area. While content, this is also the component. You can click on here article, so you can see the article list and just confirm to this is component or not. So you just see the address bar here. Here you can see the syntax of the component. So this is the com underscore content. That means this is the components. But in the Joomla admin panel, Joomla has managed in different way. So because Joomla is dependent on all these components, and these are categorized as a different section. So we can say these all are the components. But in the Joomla, according to Joomla consideration, Joomla provide the banners, contacts, newsfeed, smart search, text. These are 4 to 5 default installed components. But you can install from the system, click on extension here. These are the 4 types. Upload package file, you can browse and install any downloaded, and this is Joomla setup. So but you can download Joomla component from here, and you can drag and drop or browse. Install from folder. You can first you have to transfer the file from the FTP or cPanel on the particular folder, and you can mention here path. Then you can install. Install from the URL. So you can direct copy the URL from the download. Suppose you have to go Joomla extension directory. Here you can search Joomla extension directory. There are all of the extension. Anyone you can try to install. So let's search. Hmm, So you can enter the direct zip file path. It will automatically install. And from the web, here you can directly search and find and select. So this is gallery. You can find this option. Click on this install. It will install. You have to click on here. Then it will install. So these are the options. If this is not installing, that means it is not compatible to the Joomla.